Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my lovely students. I hope that you all are fine, fit and healthy at your home. Today we'll see class 7 subject English, unit 7, the invention of White Wonk, which is written by Roald Dahl. It's taken from Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. So students, in your title only it's given the invention of White Wonk, so you can understand that someone who invented this White Wonk. So in this lesson, we'll see what is White Wonk and who invented it. So first, we'll see the summary of this lesson. In this lesson, there are two parts. First, we'll see summary of part 1 only, because today we'll complete our part 1. Mr. Willy Wonka was a scientist. He first invented a tonic, Wonkavite, which made people younger. But it was such a powerful medicine that many people disappeared after their age went in minus. One person even became minus 87. The poor fellow had to wait for 87 years to come back. Willy Wonka decided to invent a new thing to undo the harm. He had to make people old. He wanted to know what the oldest living thing in the world was, or what lived longer than anything else. His assistant, Charlie, named tree. But the question emerged, which tree? It was certainly not the fir, oak or cedar tree. It was a tree called bristlecone that grew in Nevada, USA. Such trees were 4,000 years old. Wonka got into his great glass elevator and rushed all over the world. He collected special items from the oldest living things. He took a pinch of sap from the bristlecone pine, the toenail clippings from a 168-year-old Russian farmer, an egg laid by 200-year-old tortoise, the whiskers of a 306-year-old cat, and so on. So in this part 1, we'll see these all things in detail. So let's start our lesson. So all of you be ready with your textbook. Students, first look at before you read. Who are the oldest people you know? What are the oldest things you have in your house, in your city, town or village? How old are they? Have you ever wished that you were older? Have you wished that you could grow up in a hurry? Definitely nobody wants to wish older very quickly. So here, students, I would like to give you one task that you have to find out who are the oldest people. Do you know? Or do you know any oldest person? What are the oldest things you have in your home, in your city, in your village, in your town? Find out the names of that things. Then find out how old are they, and you can write this question's answer in the comment box. So I also get that how many students know these things, oldest people or oldest things in their city, in their house or in their town, etc. So don't forget to write in comment box. Now let's start our lesson, the invention of White Wonk. Mr. Willy Wonka begins by inventing Wonkavite, which makes people younger, but Wonka White is too strong. So, some people disappear because their age becomes minus. One person actually becomes minus 87, which means he's got to wait 87 years before he can come back. Now, in your title, it's given the invention of White Wonk. But first, Mr. Willy Wonka invented Wonka White. Now, we will see afterwards what's the difference between Vita Wonk and Wonka White. Mr. Willy Wonka begins by inventing Wonka White, which makes people younger. Now, this invention of Mr. Willy Wonka's invention, Wonka White, which makes people younger. But this medicine is too strong. So what happened? Some people disappear because their age becomes minus. One person actually becomes minus 87, means 87 year back. That person want to come back 87 year. That person went 87 year minus, means the person disappeared. That person has to wait as 87 year to come back to exist himself or herself, which means he's got to wait 87 years before he can come back. So that person has to wait 87 years to come exist. Mr. Willy Wonka must invent a new thing. Now, if the person who ever drink this drop or this medicine, so what happened? That person disappeared only. No one can watch, no one can see that person. And after 87 years, after that person can exist. That person can come back. So it's too strong medicine. So now this scientist decided to invent something new. Now let's see what he decided and how he invented that new things. Part 1 here start. Mr. Wonka said, so once again I rolled my sleeves and sat to work. Once again I squeezed my brain searching for the new recipe. I had to create age to make people older and old taste. Haha, I cried. For now the ideas were beginning to come. What is the oldest living thing in the world? What lives longer than anything else? Now earlier what happened? He invented Wonka White. So people become too much young and they went minus 87 year age, means they disappeared. So here he decided to do something new invent. So what he has done, I rolled my sleeves. Rolled up my sleeves means got ready. Now he's very ready to do something new and set to work. He's ready to begin the work. Once again I squeezed my brain. Squeezed means I am very ready. My brain is very ready to do hard work. Searching for the new recipe. New tips. Recipe means new tips for the medicine. I had to create age. Earlier what happened? The person became younger. So what happened? Maybe the person disappeared. But here he decided to make age, create age. To make people older and old taste. Haha means, haha is written means he's become very happy by this thought that now I'm ready to create age and I make people older and old taste. For now, the ideas were beginning to come. What is the oldest living thing in the world? Now, this scientist decided to make people old. But for create this medicine, one thought came in his mind that for this, I have to find out that what is the oldest living things in the world. What lives longer than anything else? So this thinking coming in his mind that for find out the medicine for the old age, I have to first find out what is the oldest living things in the world and what lives longer than other things. A tree, Charlie said. Now, Charlie is the assistant of Mr. Willy Wonka. He said that tree only can live longer than anything else. Right, you are Charlie, but what kind of a tree? Not the Douglas fir, not the oak, not the cedar. No, my boy. He said that, yes, Charlie, you are absolutely correct, but what kind of a tree? Not the Douglas fir also, not the oak tree also, not the cedar also. So, what kind of tree? It is a tree called the Bristol corn pine that grows upon the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. You can find Bristol corn pines on Wheeler Peak today that are over 4,000 years old. Finally, they got the name of tree that not Douglas, not fir, not oak, but one tree which name is Bristol corn pines on Wheeler Peak, and that tree lives from 4,000 years. This is fact, Charlie. Ask any dendrochronologist you like and look that word up in the dictionary when you get home. Will you please? After he said his name and after he said his assistant Charlie that if you want to ask any dendrochronologist means a specialist who studies the annual rings of trees to know its exact age. Means the person who is a specialist, वृक्ष की आयु की जिसको जानकारी हो, ऐसे पर्सन को कहते हैं dendrochronologist. So he said that if you want to ask any dendrochronologist, you can ask. And in bracket is written that and look that word up in the dictionary when you get home. Will you please? And if you want to look this in your dictionary, you can look it after going at home. So that started me off. I jumped into the great glass elevator and rushed all over the world collecting special items from the oldest living things. Now, Mr. Wonka wants to create the medicine that which can make the person older and oldest. So that's why he wants oldest things only from whole world. So now he started to do this experiment. Means he started to collect these old things from all over the world. Now one by one, here he gave the list of old things. A pint of sap from a 4,000-year-old Bristol corn pine, the tree which is in Nevada, USA. So he collects a pint of sap. A pint of means a measure, a small tip of sap from a 4,000-year-old Bristol corn pine tree. Next point, the toenail clippings from a 168-year-old Russian farmer called Petrovich Zagorevich. So here is the name of Russian farmer Petrovich Zagorevich. From this farmer, toenail. The farmer age is 168 years. Earlier what he has done? A tip of juice from Bristlecone pine. Then toenail from Russian farmer. An egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga. He took from the king of Tonga an egg which is laid by 200-year-old tortoise. The tail of a 51-year-old horse in Arabia. As we know that the horse also not living longer life. But 51-year-old is too much for horse. 51-year-old means. So, from Arabia, he has taken some tail hair from this horse. The whiskers of a 36-year-old cat called crumpets. Whiskers. Whiskers means the hair on an animal's mouth. So, he has taken some hair also from one of the cat who lived somewhere else called crumpets. An old flea which had lived on crumpets for 36 years old. Now, flea is a crumpets, insects like. So, he has taken this old flea also. The tail of 207-year-old giant rat from Tibet. Giant rat means big in size, very big in size. He has taken some hair or a part of tail something from this huge rat. The black teeth of a 97-year-old Gramakine living in a cave on Mount Popocatépetl. So, has taken black teeth also from this one. You can say that it's a one kind of maybe insect or something, or you can say that it's a one kind of animal who is living in some cave. And the knuckle bones of a 700-year-old cataloo from Peru. Knuckle bones means a bone forming or corresponding to a knuckle, means ungaliyon ki जोड़ों की हड्डियाँ. So, he has taken something also from these knuckle bones of a 700-year-old cataloo from Peru. So, look at here students that this Mr. Willy Wonka want to invent a medicine which can make person or people older and oldest. So that's why he collected these oldest things of all over the world. Maybe it's an insect, maybe it's an animal, maybe it's a person, maybe it's some animal's tail, or maybe it's a shape of tree. So he started to collect this old thing to create the medicine to make people older. So here students, I hope that you got interest. It's really interesting story that how these scientists invented some invention. So here our part 1 is over. We'll see in our next video part 2. But before, I would like to say once again that you have to find out that what are the oldest things you have in your house, in your city, in your town, or in your village. And if you want to write the age also, you can write. And if you haven't the specific age, so it's fine. You can just write the oldest thing's name in the comment box. Read this part 1 once again. Try to understand, and if you have any doubts, you can write that also in the comment box. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.